I'm trying everything to make this thing work. We're gonna lose this piece right here, but oh well. Their method for supports on this and Kira were not real well. She just printed the support in between the damn thing. You know? I think it would have been easier. So I put painter's tape on here, which will flex a little bit. Just kind of maybe collect the crap and hopefully it'll recover. Once we get to that other support, maybe it'll jump across. We'll see. I used glue. I wasn't the one watching it when it fell over on the support, but when she told me about it, I came out here and tried to put it back. It knocked it down a couple of times. See, right now it's just beating the crap out of it. Yeah, but I could turn the print speed down lower, but it's like, We're gonna just end up with a fancy bowl. We'll see. It'll at least have a big notch on the front. I don't think the rest of the print will fail. This is definitely a known issue with these things. I guess some people have tried to print them without supports, which obviously you can't do. I don't know. I think the design needs to be changed. I really don't think this is a realistic design to print. But anyway, I figured I'd try it. Maybe if I change the angle of supports, I think the default setting says 80 degrees. But if you go more radical, I think it would fill the whole area, which would be perfectly fine. So I'm just waiting for it to poop enough stuff onto this, and maybe it'll recover. Problem is, what happens is it keeps hitting it, and it never ever stays solid enough to build up a normal shape again.